No, no chicken poppers.
Chicken poppers! Hello, welcome to a KongBoysToys video!
What's up, everybody? Welcome to a KongBoysToys video. Today you're joined by
KBSharkster
and
KBYoshi
and KB Dad in the background. Today we are going to be opening up this Lego Technic set. It is recommended for ages 7 to 14.
Wow.
The model number is 42027. It is called the Desert Racer. It has 149 pieces, and it looks like if you pull it back, that it will go forward. Oh, I guess we got to build it first, so let's do that.
Yeah.
Here is the back of the box. Wait a second. I thought this was the Desert Racer, guys.
It is, but there's a racing truck as well.
So there's two in here?
Yeah. But
Or you can build either one.
You can build either one.
Okay, so you can build either one. So we can build the Desert Racer or the race truck. Which one are we building today, guys?
Desert Racer!
Okay, we'll be building the Desert Racer. Sounds like a great plan. But this is what the truck looks like if you want to build that.
Yeah. And this one has pullback. The racer truck does have pullback too.
It does have pullback, okay.
Because they're the same wheels.
Zoom back out to see you guys. Okay, guys, let's get this box open.
Woo.
Let's let KBYoshi open this one.
Because it's from my birthday.
You got it for your birthday? Awesome. Crank that box open. Boink.
Woo! Can't really open it out of the way.
You can do it, buddy. We believe.
Whoa! I can grab stuff out from here. Ooh, here's this piece. The motor. So this is the motor.
Neat.
I see a wheel. Like a motor?
You see a wheel?
Yeah.
I like wheels.
I got the wheel out.
Wow, that looks like a real rubber wheel.
I have to. Feels like a real. There.
Oh my gosh. KBYoshi is fired up. We've got cardboard flying everywhere.
So
we got one bag.
And
another
three
bag.
more wheels.
3 more wheels. All right, it looks like it'll be able to roll. What else is in the box?
Bags.
Okay, so we got
bags.
2 bags, a motor, 4 wheels.
A lot of instructions. A lot. And some stickers. It's a game, which looks like a lot of Mountain Dew. Like the Mountain Dew stickers. Dad's gonna do the stickers. Move this out of the way. So
okay.
Flip this to the front.
Guys, how are we gonna do this? Are we gonna do a time lapse?
Yeah!
All right, everybody.
I'll put one back.
We're gonna do a time lapse video here. So watch us build this Lego set in stop-like motion.
I already built a Lego set. It's like cars.
Alrighty then.
It's like cars. The one team and the other.
So let's get started.
Open the bags. Imagine this as a lizard. So it looks like it really wants chicken poppers. So look, it's like, it sort of looks like it wants attention. So it's like, chicken poppers. No, no chicken poppers. Chicken poppers. No, no chicken poppers. Chicken poppers. No, no chicken poppers.
Okay, guys, it looks like you're done building the Desert Racer. It looks really awesome. Was it fun to build?
Yeah, fun and challenging.
It was fun and challenging?
Uh-huh.
What would you rate it in terms of difficulty?
5 out of 10.
About a 5 out of 10?
Yeah.
Well, it looks really sweet, so let's zoom in and check this puppy out. Okay, so we got the racer here, and it looks like it has this awesome roof that can lift up. And KBYoshi, did you say it had adjustable seats?
Uh-huh.
Let's see. Okay, awesome. And it has these cool lights up top, and it has these headlights in the front, and it has the engine intake, It has really soft rubbery tires, which is cool. Here's the stickers on the side. You can see it says 34. And it says you can pull it back. We'll check that out in a minute. And on top it says Tio oil. That must be the Lego branded oil. And let's check out the back where you can see it has this really awesome exhaust system with the red tail lights. And then on the front, you can see it has this really cool pulley. Pull it out a little bit, KBYoshi. Pull it, buddy. Watch him spin while he pulls it. Awesome. So what can you do with this pulley, KBYoshi? Can it save other Lego cars?
Yeah.
What about other Lego figures?
I'm saved! I'm saved! I was stuck for ages down there. This is cool. I'm getting a free ride.
KBYoshi, do you have a Lego figure we can stick in the car? Alright, put him in. Awesome. He looks like he's ready to go. So guys, if we pull this back, it should go forward, correct?
Yeah.
Let's check it out. KBYoshi, would you like to do the honors?
Right. Blue for the two, sir. Right.
Whoa! That went really fast.
That's why I put his helmet up.
That is awesome. So if you keep going like this, does it charge it up?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Blue for the two, sir. Right.
Oh. Holy cow, that is fast. That is awesome.
Hey, why are you putting me up and put me down? I'll slowly let you go down. Beep, 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 beep.
Is that the Lego automatic lowering system? That's awesome. Whoa, is he partying now?
I'm gonna get out.
Whoa!
Ah, my head!
Looks like he's stuck there, buddy. Is he trying to do a backflip out of the truck? That's hilarious.
Ouch. Hey, guys. Can I just go here for a minute? Yay.
Is he getting a free ride on the front of the car?
Okay, I'm gonna ride right here. I just go on the light like this. Whee.
Is he going light surfing? Probably. I think he's getting his dance on the headlight. I've never seen that before. Ooh, easy on the exhaust. It's gonna be hot.
My God! Ah!
Okay, so we're done with the Desert Racer. We hope you guys liked it. You got a message for everyone?
Yeah, tell us down in the comments below what Lego set do you think we should build next. Yeah. And please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down this video. And see you guys later. KBSharkster signing out, and KBYoshi
Signing out from a volcano.
Bye, guys.